Hey my people, let's make some cute watermelon marshmallow pops. So I'm using a foam marshmallow, but you can use a clay one if that's what you have. So I'm just using a wood skewer, a small wood skewer in the center of my pop because I don't want my straw to bend, and this just gives it extra stability. So I glued that straw in place, and now I'm going to draw the lines on my watermelon rind. So you just go around and make as many lines as you want. I went around the whole pop. I don't really know how many lines I made there, but you make as many as you want, okay? So the glue always getting them glue strings, they always get in the way. So those are my rind lines, and I think that looks pretty cute. So now I got a mixture of cork, Mod Podge, and paint. Now you guys are gonna ask me what color paint I use. This is just a pink paint. You can use fuchsia if you want. I don't remember the color of that paint, but fuchsia is the color I've been using on my other watermelon pieces, so you can use that. So basically I just put some on top, and then I just tap it so it could flow down a little bit. But if it doesn't flow, you just go in there with your mixture and you make some drops, some drips, and then you go and fix them if they have like points to them or whatever. That's what I'm doing there. I'm just kind of fixing them up and, you know, adding some. Just look at it and see how them drips is going, and then you fix it. That's it. Don't have to be perfect because it's drips. Now this is cute. These are little tiny seeds. They're actually little fake sesame seeds. Little black fake sesame seeds. I got from Play Code 3 if you want to get some. So now I'm just sticking a bow on there, a small little bow. And then I'm going to go and add a watermelon slice. Sprinkle is a large size sprinkle, and basically that's it. That's the cake pop. Here you go. Now you can make as many as you want. I think they came out cute. And we're going to add that to the watermelon collection and call it a day. There they go. Make you some. Talk to you soon. Bye.